Sige, derive na natin. Magandang tanong po. Basahin muna natin. Increasing the voltage of the transmission system to double its the original value with the same power to be transmitted. The new power loss of the transmission system will be blank of the original value. So, explain muna natin yung power loss. So, alam natin, ito yung transmission line, tama? Then, yung transmission line, meron tayong line, syempre. Pwedeng short, long, or medium. Siyempre sa mga line na yan, it consists of conductors. So, sa conductors, nagkakaroon tayo ng losses, Pi squared R. So, bakit ba Pi squared R yung ginagamit sa P losses? Kasi, yung current, yung dahilan kung bakit umiinit yung mga wires natin with the essence of the resistance of the wire. Okay? So, we know that we have power sa VI, the formula. Then, I is equals to P over P. If we arrange it, ibig sabihin na to, na current is inversely proportional to the voltage. Ibig sabihin, pag tumaas yung voltage, bababa yung current. Tumaas yung current, tataas yung voltage. So, plug in natin ito dito. P is equals to, magiging P V squared R, then P loss to guys which is P squared V squared R. Anong in-indicate nito? In-indicate nito na ang P losses is inversely proportional to the squared of the voltage. Ibig sabihin, pag dinoble natin, pag dinoble natin yung voltage, square pa siya. So, lagyan natin dito. So, we know sa ano natin, sabi dyan ay pag dinoble daw natin yung voltage, we know that I is equals to P over V. Doblein daw natin yung voltage with constant power, magiging 1 over 2V. We know that ito is magiging 1 half I. Kasi pure VV, di ba? 1 half I. So, P loss nyo bago is I new, which is ito, 1 half I squared. Then, this is I squared R, di ba? So, R. Magiging 1/4 I squared R. So, ibig sabihin, 1/4 of the losses. P loss nyo. So, ganda siya. Pwede rin naman ganito. Pwede rin naman dito mo siya plug in. Mangyayari naman dyan is ang pilos nyo, ay, wala. Ang pilos nyo dyan, pilos nyo is magkakaroon dito ng 2. So, magiging 4B squared dyan. 1. Ibig sabihin niya, 1/4 of the pilos value. So, yan. Doon siya nag-derive guys. Yung derivation.